For 21 years, a daring group of astronauts and cosmonauts have called the International Space Station, ISS, their home, a metal can floating 250 miles above Earth. This engineering marvel, larger than a football field and hosting countless experiments, has been our window to understanding our planet and the universe beyond. But time takes its toll, even on space stations. The ISS, which cost a staggering $150 billion, is showing signs of wear. Air leakage from tiny cracks poses a challenge, and the maintenance costs are soaring. NASA aims to retire it by 2030, but uncertainties remain. In response, NASA and other space agencies are forging ahead with plans for 4 next-generation space stations. These advanced platforms will redefine space exploration, led by top-level players in the industry. So, join us as we talk about the latest next-generation space stations that will revolutionize the future of space travel. Let's begin. The first station on our list that promises to redefine space exploration is none other than the awe-inspiring Starship. NASA, in a daring partnership with SpaceX, is embarking on an ambitious endeavor to create Starship space stations that will revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. What makes Starship so remarkable? For starters, each Starship boasts a voluminous interior, surpassing even the spaciousness of the International Space Station, ISS. But here's the astonishing part. They're not just larger, they're also similar in size to the external fuel tank of the old space shuttle. This opens up a world of possibilities, as many space station proposals based on the external fuel tank have been considered in the past. And now, with SpaceX's Starships, they are easier to build than ever before. What sets the Starship apart is its ingenious steel construction, rendering it incredibly easy to weld, cut, and modify. This versatility allows for swift assembly and customization, turning the Starship into the ultimate canvas for pioneering space technology. But that's not all. Brace yourself for the real game changer. Starships are designed to venture into orbits with remarkably low radiation levels, particularly orbits below 500 kilometers near the equator. With such minimal radiation, little to no shielding is required, making these orbits an attractive destination for future space habitats. Imagine a colossal wheel of interconnected starships rotating gracefully, simulating the gravitational pull of Earth, creating a comfortable living environment for astronauts. Safety and radiation protection are paramount, and the Starship's massive volume ensures that supplies can be strategically stacked around the hull to provide additional shielding. And the cost-effectiveness is simply astonishing. Shielding 1 meter thick on a small capsule would consume all its interior space, but for a 900 cubic meter Starship, even after adding 1 meter of shielding, 90% of its interior space remains available. With 50 Starships priced at $20 million each, the total cost barely reaches $1 billion, yet they can accommodate an impressive 350 people, surpassing the ISS's capacity several times over. Starship's potential is nothing short of groundbreaking. From interplanetary exploration to housing larger astronaut crews, the possibilities seem endless, ushering in an era of space travel like never before. And that's just the beginning of our journey into the future of space stations. The Lunar Gateway awaits us on the horizon, presenting an unparalleled opportunity for human presence on the Moon. This ambitious project, a collaborative effort involving NASA, Canada, Europe, and Japan's space agencies, will assemble a space station near the Moon, over 240,000 miles away from Earth. Set to commence its assembly in 2024, the Lunar Gateway will be the ultimate park and ride station, facilitating transfers from one vehicle to another. Astronauts can seamlessly transition from spacecraft like the Orion capsule, launched atop NASA's mighty Space Launch System, to embark on unprecedented missions to the lunar surface and beyond. The Lunar Gateway holds the key to mankind's cosmic future, acting as a vital outpost for sustained lunar exploration and serving as a stepping stone towards ambitious endeavors like sending astronauts to Mars. But this isn't the beginning of the story. NASA isn't starting from scratch when it comes to building new space stations. Drawing from the extensive expertise of the International Space Station, ISS, they're infusing the latest technologies and lessons learned into their newest creation, the Lunar Gateway. And one of the shining examples of this is the IROSA solar array, born from an experimental mission back in 2017. Imagine solar panels that launch in a compact, folded-up form, only to unfurl gloriously in space, saving crucial weight and volume in the cargo bay. The gateway to limitless energy in the cosmos, these innovative arrays will power the gateway, making it a self-sustaining celestial haven. Situated around the moon, it faces a unique set of challenges compared to its predecessor, the ISS. Encountering different radiation and thermal environments in the lunar vicinity, the Gateway's engineering brilliance knows no bounds. Mankind's quest to conquer the moon will be made possible through this celestial outpost, where astronauts will embark on shorter stays, using it as a vital transit point to and from lunar missions. As we venture into uncharted territories, the economics of the Gateway bring a fresh perspective. Designed for shorter astronaut stays, it will remain empty during extended periods. This altered utilization calls for thoughtful resource management as NASA seeks to reduce its reliance on additional equipment. Yet, there is ample room for future expansion, allowing for the addition of new modules and exciting reconfigurations that could one day pave the way for manned missions to Mars. But our cosmic journey doesn't stop there. Another enchanting station is about to enter the scene, the brainchild of Axiom Space. January 2020 marked the beginning of this highly anticipated venture, promising to usher in a new era of celestial exploration, capturing the imagination of starry-eyed dreamers worldwide. The excitement begins with Axiom Space, soaring high with the prestigious NASA contract to construct the first commercially manufactured module for the iconic International Space Station, ISS. Mark your calendars for 2026 as Axiom sets its sights on the stars. Their mission goes beyond just one module. 4 breathtaking spacecraft modules are in the works, with the first 3 scheduled to grace the ISS by 2024. Each of these remarkable modules will rendezvous with the aging space station, tapping into its power and thermal resources. Gradually, they'll gain full independence, forming a celestial cluster that can orbit Earth autonomously. Axiom Station promises a unique blend of sustainability and innovation. To power its vital operations, the station ingeniously combines the carbon dioxide exhaled by crew members with hydrogen from water, generating the crucial methane fuel needed for orbit raises, debris avoidance maneuvers, and more. But it's not just functionality that Axiom has in mind. Comfort and aesthetics are also at the core of their design. Unlike the cluttered appearance of the ISS, Axiom Station will boast crew quarters with an inviting ambience. Picture Earth-facing windows, bathing the interiors in warm light, and expansive views of our blue planet from the largest space windows ever created. An Earth observatory equipped with 8 awe-inspiring 6-by-3-foot windows. Sharing a meal in the observatory while gazing at our home planet? Absolutely. But remember, in space, cleanliness is key, so make sure to tidy up after enjoying the celestial feast. And that's just the beginning of our cosmic escapades. Enter Blue Origin's future space station, Orbital Reef, the epitome of a mixed-use business park in space. Opening in the second half of this decade, Orbital Reef is set to become a bustling hub for research, industrial, international, and commercial customers alike. The possibilities are endless, with this unique destination offering a range of end-to-end services, including space transportation, logistics, habitation, accommodation, and onboard crew facilities. A thriving, human-centered space architecture with world-class amenities will beckon explorers from across the globe, making Orbital Reef the premier commercial destination in low Earth orbit. Orbital Reef is set to revolutionize economic activity in space, providing the essential infrastructure needed to unlock new markets and take our cosmic endeavors to new heights. Can you imagine it? A vibrant space city where Earth's most iconic brands like McDonald's and Starbucks may one day find their cosmic address. Truly, the era of commercial space exploration is upon us. This transformative approach promises to revolutionize the way we venture into the final frontier, making it more accessible, affordable, and efficient for both established space operators and emerging contenders. The possibilities are boundless, as the wide spectrum of users can now pursue their celestial goals with newfound ease and flexibility. Meet the visionary Orbital Reef, the epitome of a new era in space station architecture. With its open system design, Orbital Reef invites any customer or nation to join its celestial congregation, linking up and scaling their operations to cater to their unique needs. Module berths, vehicle ports, utilities, and amenities all seamlessly expand in tandem with market growth, ensuring a dynamic and ever-evolving ecosystem that adapts to the aspirations of its cosmic inhabitants. But Orbital Reef is not just a singular space station. It is an entire space metropolis, bustling with innovation and opportunity. Its strategic business model is built to empower customers with an array of cutting-edge services and systems. Researchers can embark on groundbreaking experiments, manufacturers can forge new frontiers of space production, and visitors can embark on the adventure of a lifetime, all within this awe-inspiring cosmic hub. The future of space exploration is set to ignite our collective imagination. In the coming decade, the launch of 4 new space stations will reshape our understanding of the cosmos and expand our capabilities in orbit. These magnificent stations will serve as gateways to a realm of endless possibilities, where science, tourism, commerce, and collaboration seamlessly converge, transforming the very essence of our cosmic understanding. Beyond their practical prowess, these celestial wonders will serve as beacons of inspiration for generations to come. The young minds of tomorrow will gaze upon the majesty of Orbital Reef and its cosmic counterparts, their hearts filled with wonder and dreams of reaching the stars. As we venture further into the cosmos, these awe-inspiring stations will become symbols of human potential, urging us to push the boundaries of our existence and venture into the unknown. So, fellow cosmic pioneers, buckle up for an extraordinary journey. From the frontiers of space transportation to the realms of smart design and advanced automation, our voyage into the cosmos is marked by limitless excitement and discovery. The universe beckons, and with the transformative vision of Orbital Reef and its celestial companions, we are poised to make history. The stars await our grand cosmic odyssey. Let us rise to the occasion and embrace the wonders of the cosmos. So, what are your thoughts about these amazing next-generation space stations? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.